Hello, this is AdventureWorks web app, a classic ASP.NET application backed by SQL Server popular sample schema, with 11 normalized tables representing customers, orders, products, and product categories using Entity Framework Core and many joins as part of the implementation. We are going to migrate and rewrite the entire application to Azure Cosmos DB NoSQL using nothing but natural language prompts with GitHub Copilot. But we're not prompting blind. We are using the Cosmos DB Agent Kit, a set of AI skills and rules that teach Copilot how to think like Cosmos DB NoSQL architect to apply best practices along the way. We're also going to utilize curated RDBMS to Cosmos NoSQL migration prompt that provides a guided structure to Copilot agent to build and validate a comprehensive migration plan, including schema inventory, access pattern analysis, NoSQL schema design, and partition key selection, as well as SDK mapping, data migration strategy, and final validation. The result is a complete migration plan that maps 11 SQL tables and entities into two optimized Cosmos DB containers with document models that embed related data, denormalize across boundaries, and align partition keys to the application actual query patterns. Now the real work can begin. With single prompt and migration plan guidance, Copilot completely rewrites the original application, updating every model for document storage, create a Cosmos DB service layer, rewrites all four controllers, replace EF core to use Cosmos DB native.NET SDK. No connection strings, no joins, just enter ID and simple Cosmos DB access patterns with fast point reads and partition bound queries. The end result, successful build with zero errors. For data migration, Copilot builds a simple bulk loading tool that reads the raw CSV export files with sample data, transforms and denormalizes sample data to shape final JSON documents, and loads them into Cosmos DB. And here is a converted app. Running live on Cosmos DB, 41 categories, 504 products in product container, and all customer details with embedded addresses and order documents in customer container. Every endpoint works successfully as part of validation and record counts match. Final takeaway home. In this demo, we demonstrated how to migrate end-to-end legacy relational application to modern Cosmos DB NoSQL database, going from 11 tables to only 2 containers with just 8 total prompts and rewriting whole application with single prompt. All with AI Copilot doing the heavy lifting with guided assistance from Cosmos DB Agent Kit skills and relational to Cosmos NoSQL prompt helper.